Picture this, earning cash from coding in the USA with just one click. Sounds wild, right? But in 2026, it's the reality for thousands of developers. Today, I will show you how Americans are turning simple code into serious money. From college dorms in Boston to tech hubs in Silicon Valley, coders are uploading scripts, templates, and apps and getting paid instantly. One click from a buyer, and boom, money lands in your account. Step 1. Create small but useful coding solutions, website templates, automation scripts, or AI tools. Step 2. Upload them to US-friendly marketplaces like CodeCanyon, GitHub sponsors, or Fiverr. Step 3. Every time someone clicks to buy or download, you earn. Some developers rake in thousands monthly by selling reusable snippets. Others build passive income streams by licensing plugins or apps. The trick? Solve everyday problems with simple, effective code. So if you are in the USA and ready to cash in on your coding skills, start today. Upload your work, let the platforms handle the sales, and watch your income grow. Remember, one click can change your financial future.